There's your pal. Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
Performing a magic trick.
Hector, I can get the toy out for you so we can play, but you have to give it to me. Give me... You have to release it!
He loves sharpening his claws on tires. Apologizing for his actions.
Trying to teach my cat not to get on the kitchen counter. And so he thinks he found a loophole. There ain't no loophole, T'Challa.
His cat constantly demands pets.
On today's episode of Orange and Jobless.
Scaling any wall.